Man stops cheetah with bare hands. And he also has one hell of a mustache. This is also from Reddit. This one has 55,000 upvotes. Look at this. Cheetah comes to attack. Bang! You stop right there, Cheetah. What do you think?
What a gangster.
What do you think, Will?
He was ready to pounce.
The cheetah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And he's just walking past the cheetah. He turns the camera. The cheetah goes for the attack. He puts the hand out. Cheetah backs off. He laughs.
What a badass.
There's a,
what is it? A hyena behind him?
Is it? I thought it was just another cheetah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I see the spots.
It's two cheetahs, but only one seems to be aggressive. You can play the audio, I think.
Yeah, there's audio?
Yeah.
I guess what I would do if I didn't win, I guess we'll never know.
So he did like the meme. Oh, yeah. You don't like the meme.
What?
You preferred it without the audio.
No, I think it adds something to it.
Okay.
We were just listening to that song, Mo and I.
Really?
Gangster's Paradise.
Before I got here?
Coolio.
You didn't wait for me?
No, we couldn't wait for you.
Anyway, a lot of people are commenting on his mustache as well, because Mo's mustache is like on its way to becoming that. What this guy has.
He just needs some wax.
And the top comment here is it wasn't his hands. His power came from his stash, which might be true because he makes eye contact and then all of a sudden the cheetah's terrified, right?
Yes.
So we'll never know. But the thing is, like, there's probably some merit to what took place there.
I got pregnant watching this.
That's right. No, there's probably some merit to it, which is like, what do you do in this circumstance? Like, maybe we just learned something. I don't know if it's always the case that you would want to do this, like approach a situation like this. I mean, you want to avoid this cheetah anyway, but they're stealth hunters and they prefer to get you when you're not looking. Mm-hmm. And if you stare right at them, they might be like, damn, that's not an easy kill. Even though it would be, because a human would be no problem for a cheetah, right?
Yeah. And you can't orchestrate this, right? You can't train a cheetah to do this.
Maybe you can. But someone says if you run, you die. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. You could keep your cool, Will. Lesson is keep your cool. Mm-hmm. And grow a stash like that. You'll be all set.
I will.